Introducing the new TC-SNH 1045 conveyor and the CSTC series of seed tenders. The conveyor is powered by a 38 horsepower Kohler gas engine. The steering is a hydraulic kingpin design, so there is no need to manually force the turn as some of our competitors do. The mover is driven by the large 15-inch main axle wheel assemblies that have an over-center lever engagement as well as a transport lockout pin. The conveyor itself is a 10-inch tube with a 16-inch belt and is 45 feet plus in length. The low-profile collapsible hopper fits under most bins and belly dump trailers. The controls are positioned in such a manner that the operator can see both the hopper and the discharge. This design also keeps the operator out of the way of the moving conveyor. All functions are hydraulically powered from the belt drive to raising and lowering of the conveyor, done by a 4-inch by 10-inch hydraulic cylinder. No more cranking by hand. The unit will unload 100 bushels a minute in most commodities. We also offer options such as stainless steel ends or a complete unit with stainless steel tubes and ends. We try to offer solutions to all of your conveyor needs, so please give us a call. Our new commercial seed tenders are available in sizes from 600 to 1200 bushels. This new design came about due to the demand to fill the new larger air carts. Electric tarps, sight glasses, and poke holes are all standard equipment. Recommended hydraulic power is our 38 horsepower Kohler Power Pack. This unit is totally self-contained. The pump is a 2-stage setup, with the primary section putting out 20 plus gallons per minute. This runs the 2 conveyor belts. The secondary section flows approximately 6 gallons per minute and runs the gates and conveyor movement. These units were designed to mount directly to a container trailer or onto a step deck. Our reasoning for this is that they are the most economical to purchase, whether it be new or used. With this new design and the unit mounted on a container trailer, we are able to discharge at a maximum height of 16 feet 6 inches. The unit can swing side to side as well. The distance there is the same 16 feet 6 inches. Optional cameras allow this unit to become a truly one-man operation, without the stress of running back and forth to position the unit. Wireless remote is optional and allows the operator to open and close the gates, start and stop the conveyor, as well as move the conveyor around. The only function not available on the wireless remote is the unfolding of the conveyor from transport position. Once the operator is on the air cart, there is no reason for the operator to climb up and down the unit, thus reducing their chance of injury. The main hydraulic valve bank is set up with an emergency override so that if you misplace the remote, you can still operate the unit. Gates are hydraulically controlled for faster, smoother operation. We have many sizes of tenders for sale, so please contact us for more information.